This is an IKEA cart, and I use it in my craft room. I've had it for such a long time, and it's so useful. On the top, I keep my typewriter. It's great for journaling and doing little dates and things on scrapbook pages or cards. It is so helpful and it is so cute in my craft room. Down here, I keep my Spellbinders Platinum Diecut machine and my Instax Printer. And this little doggy that holds tape, isn't he cute? And in the bottom is my HP Envy printer and scanner. Very useful, of course. Oh, and I use HP Instant Ink. If you haven't heard of Instant Ink, please try it. I've saved so much money with Instant Ink, hundreds and hundreds a year. And then up here we have this drawer that comes out, and I store my Creative Memories Border Maker system. The cartridges are in my armoire, but this little section here holds the system perfectly. There's a little divider here. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. That separates the system from my Spellbinders platforms and Magic Mat. And then I also have my Spellbinders BetterPress, which, oh my gosh, this is so cool. If you haven't tried one, I highly recommend it. I keep the little spongy foam thing in there. Seems like a good idea, just for storage. And then I have other mats and things for embossing and things like that for the Spellbinders die cut machine. All of this fits right here so perfectly. I just love how it fits in here. And when the drawer is opening and closing, it just looks like this from the outside. Pretty cool, pretty easy. I think this cart was like $20 or $30 from IKEA. So handy. It could be a good little like cocktail cart, or I mean just about anything really. I just love it. Thanks for watching and subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you, and be sure to check out my other videos.